everyone, today I'm going to introduce the Formosan penguin, a very special animal in Taiwan. The Formosan penguin live in low to mid-altitude mountain areas. They have a lot of preferring forests and bamboo growth. The Formosan penguin rests in the burrow during the day and comes out to forage at night. It has a pointing snout and no teeth, but it has a long slender tongue. The internal ants nest with a long tongue that stick the ends and eat them. In addition, the Formosan penguin covered with hard scales, like armor, shaped like shield. When it feels threatened or afraid, will roll their body into a ball to protect itself. The Formosan penguin moves slowly. It is slower than a snake, but it is faster than a turtle. It don't know how to attack, so it's afraid other animals and people. It is a critically endangered animal. It has many reasons for its decline. One major is human hunting, will trap and snare, injure and kill them. Stray dogs also attack and turn them. People catch them for profit, selling their scales to be used in traditional medicine, and selling their meat to restaurants. Additionally, the Formosan penguin will wander onto a road and get hit by vehicles. The Formosan penguin live in low to mid elevation areas, below 300 to 500 meters. The regions are rich in bamboo forests and broadleaf forests, a temperature around 25 degrees. In Taiwan, the Formosan penguin found in Hualien to Taitung. We need to protect this incredible animal. When going out, dogs should be kept on the leash, and hunting should not be allowed. Traps should not set carelessly. When you encounter and injure the Formosan penguin, you need to quickly send to your conservation organization. Isn't it amazing? Let's do our best to protect this incredible animal. Thank you for your attention.